It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. We're gonna be doing the POV drive. As you guys can see, I got some plates for the car now, insured and everything. So yeah, let's get this video going and let's start it off with a nice little cold start. So we're gonna be doing a 2-for-1. We're gonna be doing a POV drive, and I'm also gonna be reviewing this weighted shift knob now because I haven't drove it with the shift knob yet. So it's a nice 2-for-1 video. Make sure nobody's coming. Nice little 6-gear cruising, not that bad. I'm pretty sure you guys heard the tires more than anything, which I don't like. It's nice and quiet. Once I get that Tome exhaust though, all hell's breaking loose. By the way, if you guys didn't watch my previous videos, this car has a South Bend stage 3 clutch, so this thing grips like a monster, but it also sucks when you're trying to take off in first gear. But like after a week and a half or so, I got used to it pretty good. You just got to give it a little bit more gas than usual. So yeah, I recommend definitely upgrading to a stage 3 if you do own a VQ. The rev matching in the stage 3 too is lovely. And these Brembo brakes work amazing. You like the car, old man. Also, if you guys didn't know, this is a Nismo, I think Nismo S-Tune exhaust with Megan test pipes in stock Y. All ready?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck, missed third gear, boys. I missed third gear, boys. Flame me in the comments, go ahead. Thank God I didn't grind it. I fucking blew my synchros out right there. I love this car, man. It's nothing but smiles when I'm driving it. I need to slow my ass down. I'm gonna get bagged the fuck up trying to make a video. It's probably not even gonna hit no views. I'm not gonna lie, a whole year without a car, I missed my DE, but patience was key. guys ready for that pull? Do a first gear. Woohoo! She boogie. I like that shifting too. I should be able to hear the exhaust way better now. Fucking love this HR. I love this Nismo too. All right, we did a first gear. We're gonna do a little second gear 40 roll. Get around this corner. Y'all ready? Them brakes smell good. Things are nice and hot. If I didn't have those Brembos, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what I would have did with the power of this HR, because my DE barely stopped without the Brembos. Almost fucking killed myself like 20 times in that car. Alright guys, oil pressure's good. Car's not overheating or nothing. Everything looks solid. Turn it off. I leave my car in gear usually just in case my fucking e-brake decides to fucking go out for some odd reason. Alright, made it back to the crib. Just gonna let everything cool off and shit. Just abused the fuck out of her, and it's probably been the first time I abused her like that. Just so I could drop a video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe, because there's going to be way more content coming out for this car real soon. I forgot to give a review on, bro, that thing shifts lovely, bro. That round 350Z stock shift knob, trash. Throw that shit in the garbage. Get a weighted shift knob, guaranteed. Soon we're about to start the journey on getting as much horsepower we can out of this VQ35 HR. First things first, I got to do a maintenance routine and shit, like 100K maintenance routine. So I'm probably gonna do another oil change, new spark plugs, and a new belt for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna be changing that real soon.
I love Chris Rich. So run up the biz with your man till whenever. Fake niggas shit like the weather. Shaking it cool like the north. Call up be like keep a pulling sweater. Look, all eyes on me. Now for the pressure. Now for the pressure. Now for the pressure. Now for the pressure.